Torfaen Young Parents Group is a non-judgmental group where young people with babies can come. Some of the issues that the young parents are facing are homelessness, social inclusion, lack of friendship groups, not knowing who to turn to when they need support.
They meet other like-minded young parents, so it's very much a supportive group for the young parents that attend.
If I wasn't coming here every week, it'd be very challenging. The support I need is just knowing that everything I'm doing is okay.
Because it helps young mums go along and come together, meet new people.
We do a lot of crafts, we do lots of trips. There's a lot of support between all of us, the mums, the kids, everyone.
Wherever challenges are faced, we try and get somebody in to cross those challenges with them.
Getting the transport door to door is really good because it provides us the safe space and the warm meals.
We work in partnership with many organisations to kind of support in child development. We often guide them, teach them cookery skills to ensure that they're kind of more aware and more healthy.
So coming here has helped me gain knowledge on cooking, like preparing meals and cooking meals on a budget as well.
I think it's just journeying with the young person to make sure that all their dreams and ambitions come true and, you know, they do find their dream goal in the end.